Before you move on, let me show you what your iPhone can actually do, because there's a good chance you've never even tried some of these features. And no, I'm not talking about some complicated hidden setting. I'm talking about 10 ridiculously useful tricks that can save you time, make everyday tasks faster, and have you thinking,
Wait, my iPhone can do that?
some of these take literally seconds to use. But there's one trick at the end that's so useful, you'll probably wonder how you've lived without it. So let's start with number 1. Trick number 1. Crop photos without opening Edit. Want to quickly crop a photo? Open the photo. Zoom in until you get the framing you want. Then tap the crop icon at the top. That's it. No need to go through the full editing process. Trick number 2. Make your iMessage stand out. If you use iMessage and want to impress someone with your messages, try this cool trick. First, type your message and select the text. Then, tap the text effects option to explore different effects that can make specific words or your entire message look more interesting. But there's another way to add even more fun to your messages. After typing your message, press and hold the send button. You'll see a variety of bubble and screen animations that you can choose from. These effects can make your message appear on the screen with different animations, making a simple text feel much more fun and interactive. It's a tiny feature, but once you know it, your iMessages can definitely stand out. If you like this trick, hit the like button. It's totally free and it really helps support the video. Now, let's get to the next trick. Trick number 3. Hide long links in your emails. Stop sending huge, ugly links in your emails. Copy the link you want to share. Then type something simple like click here. Select that text, choose add link, and paste your URL. Now people can simply tap the text to open the link. Much cleaner. Trick number 4. Find emojis with your voice. Still scrolling through your keyboard trying to find the right emoji? Tap the microphone on your keyboard and simply say the emoji you want, like thumbs up emoji. Your iPhone can insert it for you, and that brings us to a trick that can save you even more time. Trick number 5. Turn off the flashlight instantly. Your flashlight is on? Don't waste time opening Control Center. Just swipe left on the lock screen. The flashlight turns off instantly. Trick number 6. Switch between apps faster. See that little bar at the bottom of your iPhone? Swipe left or right on it to quickly switch between your recent apps. Once you get used to it, you'll never want to go back. Trick number 7. Drag images straight into a chat. Find an image on Google or in Safari. Press and hold the image until you can drag it. Then, while still holding it, use another finger to open the app where you want to send it. Drop the image directly into the chat. No saving and re-uploading needed. Trick number 8. Delete multiple contacts at once. Did you know that your iPhone doesn't have a simple option to select and delete multiple contacts at once? Normally, you have to delete your contacts one by one. But here's a hidden trick. Open your Contacts app, place 2 fingers on the list, and swipe up or down to select multiple contacts at once. You can select as many contacts as you want and delete them all together. And the best part? This 2-finger selection trick can also work in other apps and lists where multiple items can be selected. It's a simple trick, but once you know it, it can save you a lot of time. Trick number 9. Undo and redo with 3 fingers. Did you know you can undo or redo something you just typed on your iPhone without pressing any buttons? Just use 3 fingers. Swipe left with 3 fingers to undo your last action, and swipe right with 3 fingers to redo it. It's much faster than shaking your iPhone or looking for the undo option. And now, the final trick. Trick number 10. Record video while your music keeps playing. Start playing music on your iPhone. Open the camera app and stay in photo mode. Press and hold the shutter button, then swipe it to the right to lock video recording. Your music can continue playing while you record. This is especially useful when you want the music to become part of the video. Pretty cool, right? And there are even more hidden iPhone features like these. So if you don't want to forget these tricks, save this video and try them later. Because once you know these shortcuts, using your iPhone becomes a whole lot easier.